Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, as promised, I'm going to be doing a braid down. Yay! Okay, so yeah, let's just get right on into it. So hopefully this does not take too long. Again, let's just show y'all what my braids look like. And so yeah, so really the only thing, where did I put it? The only thing that I am going to be using for this takedown is my olive oil hair moisturizing lotion. Okay, this is pretty much my go-to for during the week, and if I really feel like I need extra moisture, I'll do a little spritz and leave in. But yeah, that's really all I do. Like I said, I only oil my scalp after I wash it because my scalp is very sensitive, and if I put too much oil / grease in my scalp, it gets very irritated, but I don't want to have it dry. So anyways, let's get into this video, shall we? So I just take a little bit, or more than a little bit, rub it in my hands so that like as I'm taking it down, it could pretty much go throughout the braid or throughout the twist of my hair, whatever it is. As I said in the previous video, we will see how this turns out. I haven't, like I said, I haven't done a braid out in a while. Because every time I do one, I am sorely disappointed. But yeah, I put enough on my hand so that, it can do, I feel like it can do at least 3. I am very concerned right now. Because if this doesn't turn out, we're gonna have to figure out something else to do with my hair, and ain't nobody got time for that. I really don't have time for that, honestly. I don't want to do that. So I'll probably end up throwing it in a bun or something. Typically, the problem that I have with braid outs is either when I don't blow out my hair, it's either it's like too like puffy-ish, or it's like, you know, or when I do blow out my hair, it comes out too flat. Because again, while I do have a lot of hair, my hair is fine, and so you know, it doesn't have as much volume as I would typically like. It's not like it's thin. I just have fine hair. People who know about hair would know what I mean by that. I feel like a lot of people don't really understand. You know, it's pretty much like, okay, thick hair, I guess, would be like, okay, so your strands are, I guess, wider, right? And then fine hair, your strands are skinnier, for lack of a better word. And I think when people refer to thin hair, they just mean they have less hair. So thin hair typically means that people have less hair. So like you can have thick hair, but also like your hair could be thin, or you don't have a lot of hair, right? But you could have fine hair but have a lot of hair. I think I'm saying that correctly. Anyways, I'm gonna let y'all just watch the video, and I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, so this is the braid out. How do I feel about it? I feel like I blew up my hair and I braided it, and it kind of looks like I may have heat damage just because it's so straight. I don't know. I haven't done a braid out in so long, so I can't really remember if this is how it's supposed to look, to be honest with you. If there's a lack of curl, I feel like there's so much lack of curl, and so like it's just like but I mean, what do I expect? I blew out my hair, I braided it, took it out. This is the result. I think the next time I'll probably try washing my hair, no blowout, and braid out and see what it gives. I probably know I'm not gonna like that because it's not gonna be the stretched state, and it's gonna look super thin, or you know. So anywho's, that is the end of the video. Did I show y'all the back? Hold on. Okay, that is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, make sure that you comment down below, comment your hairstyles. How do your braid outs come out, and did I do anything wrong, or any advice of what I can do next time for a braid out? If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, please, so that you can support me, and I'll see you guys